guys, my name is Ginni. I'm a professional cliff diver and I use the hip hook or the mark by Aletha. So let me explain. For quite a while, I had some issues with what I called my booty back. So it was like my glute, my lower back on one side, even my hip flexor in the front. Sometimes on bad days, even going down to like the inside of my knee, I could feel it pulling. And I just felt like my hips were all out of whack, which in high diving, stuff happens. I had physios from all over the world give me exercises and I was doing them all. And nothing really gave me like a lasting pain relief or a lasting result. And of course I did all the Google searches until I found the hip hook. And this sounds so cliche, but it really works. And so now I use it 3 times a week. After I do my weights, I just stretch and I either on the wall, I lean into it on the wall, and that's the easiest way to like kind of ease into it. Or you can lay on the floor and just do it like that. And it just really, really relieves the psoas, the iliacus, and I guess that's what gives all the other areas like more range of motion, and it really works. The pain hasn't been back since I used this. So thank you guys.